how to add motion to your drawings using AI tools. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, go to Google Chrome. Here search for animation to drawing. So simply search for animation to drawing. Now we will click on that first website, Animated Drawings by Meta. So click on that. Here you guys will see try it now. So click on try it now. Except after that, click on upload photo. We will upload our drawing. We now click on next. Here wait for some seconds. The next step will be we'll click on next again. Again next. Now we will click again on next. And here you guys can see your animation should be ready. So in add animation section, you guys can see dance, funny, jumping, walking, all. So let's add some type of animation like that one. Now let's see how it was added. So we wait for some seconds. Here we go. Our drawing has animation. For saving that video, simply click on share. And now click on My File, Save to My Files. Also click on WhatsApp or Instagram or TikTok. So if you want to share that on these socials. Thanks for watching.